Wild animals in human settlements.
As natural habitats continue to shrink globally, wild animals are increasingly entering human settlements. This phenomenon creates complex challenges for both wildlife and local residents. Urban expansion forces many species to adapt rapidly, and some now largely depend on urban or human-dominated landscapes for survival. For example, black bears frequently forage in residential areas across North America, attracted by accessible food sources such as garbage and garden produce. The resulting rise in human-bear conflicts has led many wildlife agencies to implement public education programs aimed at preventing dangerous encounters. Similarly, wild boars cause significant issues in several Japanese municipalities. They damage agriculture and can pose a physical threat to people. Local governments allocate substantial budgets annually for measures like fencing and population control, which are often challenged by the species' high reproductive rate. Developing effective coexistence strategies has thus become an essential component of modern urban planning and conservation. Communities must find a careful balance between public safety and wildlife conservation. Key measures include securing waste management to reduce food attractants, and educating residents on how to respond appropriately to wildlife sightings. In summary, the growing overlap between human and wildlife habitats necessitates integrated management approaches. Combining public education, adaptive infrastructure, and thoughtful conservation efforts is crucial to ensuring safer coexistence and protecting both community interests and biodiversity for the future.